Hey there, do-it-yourselfers. Doing a quick video on the ATS Carbon Clean engine and fuel cleaner. I bought it for $50. It's currently $60 out of stock. It's not cheap, but I certainly recommend it. They're not paying me to say that. I put it in my 4-cylinder Accord and cleaned out the engine deposits. This is my used oil container, one of them, and took all the used oil out. Been in there about a month. Look down in the bottom. That is all the carbon and sludge that was in my engine that this stuff took out. Certainly recommend it. Get it when it's back in stock.